Hip-hop's a dialect, hip-hop's the right flow. It makes your hip-hop right back into the bone. I'm in the zone like a running back should. Put that Illmatic right where it makes me feel good. I know it seems like people don't understand no more about the poverty stimulating the music's core. And we were poor, living out big and hardcore. Seems like dreams landed us handcuffed laying on the floor. I never would've thought how Pac made his first single. Rapping live in LA, putting Dear Mom in the Regal. West Coast breezing, fresh from the very start. Through poetry and the flowetry, making his own art. More hearts to fulfill. When that dynasty killed the mic right where Brooklyn remained mad ill. Attracting new skills, passing down street fields. Living life free from having ever to pay bills. Being small, hypnotized the game's mindset. Took a fiending for the Big Papa, clearing out the set. P. Diddy was puffy, I remember when he changed it. That's when the world fathomed on why Diddy made it. Somewhere between that lifestyle, Nas had the lights dim until he made you look wow. Wow, how he began rapping about the rising east. Repping hard for the ones gone and deceased. Rest in peace, although we had them good old memories. I felt that King of Rock album, yeah, Run DMC. And 3 Boys in Hollis, Queens, NYC. Got the city to pay homage to the first degree. No murders, no type of beat to stir up. Only Public Enemy, something you never heard of. Flavor Flav, Chuck D, and Terminator X. Killed it on the spot, rated then music's next best crew. Yeah, I thought you knew. It's funny how Jazzy Jeff and Big Will had positive feedback about how they got their first deal. And Fresh Prince of Philly, always getting silly. A city full of spirits and high class graffitis. And why didn't our ears ever hear KRS-One? South Bronx tradition so wisely like true monks. I got next, it was so retrospective. Knowledge reigned supreme, but one intercepted it. We all remember that OPP, yeah, you know me. It's like Film and Flow, Breeze, Uptown, hip-hop parade jammer. Naughty by nature, that New Jersey slang grammar. Big like Pun, but heavy like D. A Puerto Rican accent, urban menace P. Born and raised out of state, Jamaican dreams. Nothing but love, living them big-time dreams. Pneumonia had you sick, man, 428. I hope your peaceful journey to heaven, it turned out great. I won't debate on a Tribe Called Quest. The love movement boomerang. From the east to the west, Long Island boys. Oh my God, check the rhyme one time. Buy my first LP, beat rhymes in life, though I related more to the life within. And don't sweat the technique, error being Rakim. The Wu-Tang Clan, it got it going on, yeah. The try and produce cream, made it last for many years. Method Man, Ghostface, you got the whole clan. Wu-Tang forever, everlasting brand. The Beastie Boys sabotaged the whole game. It was the moment at Rock dropped Mike D and MCA. Never ever ever heard such ill communication. The York City boys repping that new train station. Check it out, or maybe not. It must like continue on for the love of hip-hop and Snoop Dogg and Drake. Yeah, that West Coast living, death row minded, blinded by the money given. Spitting fire through the wire, it was all hidden. Was too damn young to buy doggy style, it was forbidden. Still I came across live tunes. It was always a good day when you listening to Ice Cube. There was a cultural shock, yeah, spotted on the Ave when Cube left in WA and never came back. Remember when Dre went north and the rest moved south, progressing intuition to be running there be mouse. And the LP Chronic 2001 had me sunk in the couch for days when track 1 to 21. Then they signed Eminem, 8 Mile, Prodigy. From that moment on, music had such honesty. He fluenced the greatest in filling all the gaps. Took advantage of leaving everything behind to adapt. Still I can't explain how much I miss the good vibes. You know them Jay-Z's, Rakim and Wu-Tang tribes. Must admit that I didn't mention all the greatest. One love from above, I hope y'all can really take this. For this illest MCs that will never be known. Have peace in your heart and love for your own. Although I know music will always be the cure, and to all problems to solve and to become so pure. Congrats to Jay-Z, the new beautiful beginning into a whole new life with your wife and your newborn. And what you lost is what you gained back. And must I thank you for leading me to perform this song. And to love hip hop. And to love hip hop. Yeah, I'd like to thank everybody who's listening to this song. Remember, bring it back. hip hop ain't dead. Huh, yeah. One love, I'm out.